Hi, I'm Hayley and I'm a sustainable personal stylist, which basically means that I'm not going to make you throw out your whole wardrobe and buy a brand new one. I work with what's already in there and help you define your unique personal style. My goal with Mind Your Wardrobe is to have you feel like you have a brand new wardrobe without having to spend any money on new clothes. I offer full wardrobe transformations. I help you find new ways to wear old favourites and suggest pieces to complement your existing wardrobe. By doing this, we're reducing waste and excess and creating style with a conscience. And my whole aim is to help you see the untapped potential already hanging in your wardrobe. Through this, we uncover your personal style, which is so important in feeling confident with what you wear. Because if you're ever feeling uncomfortable in your clothes, it's generally because you're not authentically representing you. Personal style is something anyone can discover, no matter their age, size, or gender. I want you to feel comfortable and supported throughout this whole journey, which is why each session is personalized to you and your needs. I used to feel anxious every time I went into my wardrobe to find something to wear. And I know that a lot of people feel the same way, which is why I'm so passionate about helping people to find their personal style, so that every time you go into your wardrobe, you always have something to wear. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch and let's have a chat. I can't wait to work with you.